how crooked he is. Golly. All my TikTokers, y'all on 3%, TikTokers. TikTokers, y'all on 3%. Come on over here to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. Come on over here. I might go ahead and try to charge you. But my YouTube channel, it ain't went up. I'm gonna try to use too. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, that carburetor. You know how when you slam on the brakes back in the day when you got a carburetor and they try to cut off? That's what this shit be doing. Eagle Eyes from TikTok, appreciate it. Yeah, you got it, bro. Yeah. Okay. Grab y'all a Lookout membership so y'all can be betting online with the other people. The CRXX from TikTok. Look out, look out. Ooh, that done gave him some horsepower. Uh-oh. Regal for the win, y'all. They thought that Fox was gonna get it. And Limited Cricket thought that Fox was gonna get it. That Fox ain't do it. Ooh, iPhone on 1% now, y'all. Ooh. Hey, look out, y'all. Y'all better come on over here now, y'all. Yeah, I seen that. Damn. Oh, yeah, I did. That was. Ooh. Hey, y'all, let me go try to save. Let me go try to save one of y'all. I gotta at least save YouTube. I gotta at least save the YouTube channel. Hold on, y'all. I think I got an extra charger. I can plug it up. Ooh, y'all. Can I make it? Can I make it? Ah, and it would be tangled up. Okay, boom. Plug it up to the charger. Yeah, Lookout Racing is my YouTube channel, TikTok. In case y'all don't get to make it. Okay, I think I got it. I think we good, y'all. Oh, what the fuck? Ah, I done plugged the same damn thing up. Hold on, y'all. Okay. Boom, there we go. Now I think, okay, now I think we made it. Okay, yeah. I plugged it. Okay, bam. Yeah, I think we should be good now, y'all. TikTokers, y'all still on the verge because it was on 1% on y'all end. But it might start really accepting charge now. Okay, we got Cedric Brown just came from TikTok. Look out, Cedric. Damn, these. Okay. Fiji. BMW. Okay. We got the BMW versus this Mustang. BMW versus this Mustang. What's the most likes I've got in one night? Probably about like 400-500. 700, that'll be a record. Let's get to 700 likes. went all the way to the top of the damn page, y'all. I've been scrolling like a mother to get back to the bottom. Okay. Mustang just laughed. Oh, the BMW got him. BMW for the win, y'all. Pep and Stay True Martinez just came up. Okay, here we come, y'all. We got a Super. What y'all think this Super gonna do versus this Coyote Mustang? We got a Super. He done got a tune and everything. They said let him breathe. Let him breathe.
Jonathan, you on TikTok?
Okay. Let me see. Yeah, that been Martin 23. Look out. Pep and Stay True Martinez said, hey, Diamond. Okay. Dirty Pigeon got a question. Is it a dirty question? Look out. Dirty Pigeon got a question, y'all.
What's his question?
I don't know yet.
Oh, okay.
Let me see it. Oh, y'all. TikTokers, y'all getting a charge. Y'all done went up to 2%. I saved the day. I still want y'all to come over to my YouTube channel, though, and subscribe. Because I've been working hard. I've been live about, what, 3 hours? I've been live 3 hours. All I want you to do is subscribe. That ain't nothing, man. I be doing this. You over here talking about, oh, y'all like this. This play, I be doing it every week. Every week. Ooh, he got left on. He done got left on, boy. Oh, no, he didn't. Oh, boy, red lighted. Savage ass Mike, they done already put her ad in the